Right now, you could snag a brand new car for the price of a used one from last year. Dealerships are drowning in inventory, struggling with declining sales, and racing to hit year-end targets, forcing them to slash prices like never before. Among the hottest deals, the Subaru Ascent, a reliable family SUV, is discounted by 7.2%, while the powerful Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is down 5.1%. But these offers won't last. Want to know why dealerships are desperate and how to find these deals before they disappear? Let's dive in. Inventory levels have skyrocketed far beyond normal. While dealerships typically aim for a 60-day supply, many brands now have a 120-day supply or more. This oversupply is coupled with plummeting sales figures, with some major automakers reporting sales declines of over 40% compared to the previous year. Adding to this pressure, dealerships are racing to hit their year-end targets. These goals are often tied to significant financial incentives from manufacturers, including bonuses and future inventory allocations. Missing these targets can have severe consequences for a dealership's bottom line. The result? Desperate dealers are slashing prices to move vehicles off their lots. Discounts of 20%, 30%, or even 40% on certain models are becoming common. Some dealerships are offering additional incentives like extended warranties, free maintenance packages, or cash rebates to entice buyers. This situation is forcing a fundamental shift in dealership pricing strategies. The traditional model of marking up cars and haggling with customers is giving way to more transparent, aggressive pricing from the start. For consumers, this means potential savings that may not be seen again for years or even decades. The current market conditions are creating a unique opportunity for car buyers. But how deep do these discounts really go? Let's examine the specifics of what's happening on dealer lots across the country. Imagine driving home in your dream car for much less than you expected to pay. It's happening right now, and savvy buyers are taking advantage of the current market conditions. When it comes to car buying, knowledge is crucial. Informed buyers are scoring significant discounts, with some models seeing savings of nearly $23,000 off MSRP. How do they do it? Research is essential. Before visiting a dealership, know exactly what car you want and its fair market value. Use websites like Kelley Blue Book and Edmunds, but don't stop there. Investigate current inventory levels and sales trends for your chosen model. Overstocked cars often lead to better negotiating positions. Create competition by contacting multiple dealers in your area. Ask for their best offer in writing and let them know you're shopping around. This strategy can lead to substantial savings. One buyer reported saving $10,000 on a Hyundai Ioniq 5 using this approach. Timing matters too. The end of the month, quarter, or year often brings better deals as dealerships strive to meet sales targets. With many brands currently facing high inventory levels, the pressure to sell is intense. For instance, Lincoln dealerships have a 186-day supply of inventory, creating more room for negotiation. Consider all aspects of financing carefully. While 0% APR offers can be attractive, sometimes taking a cash rebate and financing separately saves more in the long run. Ford's current 0% financing for up to 72 months on select models can lead to significant savings, but always compare this to other options. Look for hidden discounts. Manufacturers often offer additional benefits that aren't widely advertised, such as deferred payments, brand switching incentives, or special discounts for certain professions or affiliations. These can add up, especially during promotional periods. Always calculate the total cost of ownership, including financing terms, potential rebates, insurance costs, and expected maintenance. A seemingly cheap car up front might cost more over time. Remember when finding the exact car you wanted was a challenge? Now, dealerships are struggling with an excess of unsold vehicles. The scale of this oversupply is surprising, leading to some impressive discounts for buyers. A key metric in the auto industry is days supply. This indicates how long it would take a dealership to sell their current inventory at the current sales rate. Typically, dealerships aim for about a 60-day supply. However, current inventory levels are far from typical. Nissan is facing a 143-day supply of inventory, meaning they could keep selling at their current rate until next summer without receiving new cars. Ford's situation is similar, with a 152-day supply. Even luxury brands aren't immune. The 2024 Lincoln Navigator is sitting at over 200 days of inventory. These high inventory levels are causing financial strain for dealerships. Every unsold car costs money, increasing pressure to sell quickly. This pressure is resulting in unprecedented offers. We're seeing aggressive financing options like 0% APR for up to 72 months. Manufacturer incentives are soaring, with some brands offering discounts as high as $27,596 on luxury electric vehicles. The issue is widespread across the industry. As of November 2024, Mercedes-Benz has a 125-day supply, while Audi isn't far behind at 120 days. These are premium brands that usually have strong demand. For potential car buyers, this situation presents unique opportunities. Dealerships are more motivated than ever to clear their lots, offering deals that would have been unthinkable a year ago. But with inventory levels so high, they're having to get creative. Price cuts are just the beginning. Dealerships are turning to some extreme measures to move these cars, and that's where things start to get really interesting. As dealerships face mounting pressure to clear their lots, we're witnessing discounts that would have been unthinkable a year ago. Remember when getting $500 off the sticker price felt like a victory? Those days are over. We're now in an era where four-figure discounts are becoming the norm, and in some cases, we're seeing remarkable price cuts. Let's start with the basics. The manufacturer's suggested retail price, or MSRP, is typically the starting point for negotiations. In normal times, you might expect to haggle your way to a 5 to 10% discount off MSRP. But these aren't normal times. Take the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5, for example. This popular electric vehicle is currently being offered with discounts up to $10,000 off MSRP. And it's not an isolated case. The 2024 Lincoln Navigator, a luxury SUV that typically commands top dollar, is seeing discounts reaching up to $12,000 off MSRP. But the discounts get even more impressive. The 2024 BMW XM, a high-end performance SUV, is being discounted by up to $15,000. That's a significant chunk of change. The luxury electric vehicle market is where we see the most dramatic price cuts. The Mercedes-Benz EQS, a large luxury electric sedan, is averaging a discount of $27,596. Its SUV counterpart, the EQS SUV, isn't far behind with an average discount of $23,310. These substantial discounts are becoming more common across various models. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 is offering discounts of up to 19.4% off MSRP, while larger SUVs like the Jeep Grand Cherokee can see discounts up to $9,500. These price cuts are significantly larger than what we'd typically see in a normal market. Some of these discounts are approaching levels that were previously unheard of for new cars. As dealerships become increasingly eager to move inventory, we're likely to see even more aggressive pricing strategies. Some industry insiders are discussing the possibility of seeing deeper discounts become more widespread, especially on slower-selling models or brands with particularly high inventory levels. So what can you, as a potential car buyer, expect in terms of discounts right now? While it varies by brand and model, it's not uncommon to see discounts in the 15 to 20% range, with some models pushing 30% or more. That means on a $40,000 car, you could potentially save $6,000 to $12,000, or even more. Keep in mind that not all cars are created equal when it comes to discounts. While some models are heavily discounted, others are still commanding prices closer to MSRP. So if you're in the market for a new car, it pays to do your homework and shop around. The deals are out there. You just need to know where to look. The current car market has upended traditional expectations about which brands offer the best deals. Some manufacturers are cutting prices dramatically, causing ripples throughout the industry. Let's examine which brands are offering the biggest bargains. Discounts vary widely among car brands. Toyota and Honda, with their strong demand and efficient inventory management, aren't feeling as much pressure to reduce prices. However, as we move up the discount scale, the situation becomes more intriguing. Ford and Nissan are offering substantial discounts to move their excess inventory. Ford, for example, has a 152-day supply of vehicles waiting to be sold, prompting aggressive offers. Hyundai is making a splash with its electric vehicle lineup. The 2024 Ioniq 5 is seeing discounts of up to $10,000 off MSRP. Luxury brands are also joining the discount fray. BMW is offering up to $15,000 off their 2024 XM model. Mercedes-Benz takes the lead in discounts. Their EQS large luxury electric sedan has an average discount of $27,596, while the EQS SUV follows closely with average discounts of $23,310. The reasons behind these discounts often relate to inventory levels and sales performance. Brands with higher inventory and slower sales are more motivated to offer steep discounts. For instance, Ram trucks, facing high inventory levels, are offering 0.9% APR financing for 72 months and up to $6,500 in cash savings. The age of inventory also plays a role. Brands with many previous model year vehicles still on their lots are more likely to offer bigger discounts to make room for newer models. This is especially true as the year-end approaches and dealerships feel pressure to meet annual sales targets. It's important to note that discount levels can vary by region. Some brands offer particularly attractive deals in areas with high inventory levels. If you're in the market for a new car, comparing offers from different dealerships in your area can be beneficial. While these price cuts are certainly appealing, they're not the only strategies dealerships are using to attract buyers. Some are getting creative with their offers, going beyond simple discounts. From complimentary services to unique perks, the methods some dealerships are employing to entice buyers might be unexpected. Car dealerships are getting creative with their incentives, as traditional discounts fail to move inventory. Instead of just offering free oil changes or extended warranties, they're now tempting buyers with extravagant perks. One Florida dealership made headlines by offering a year's worth of free gas with every purchase, while a California dealer is throwing in an all-expenses-paid Caribbean cruise for top-tier model buyers. These flashy, non-traditional offers are designed to grab attention and create a sense of urgency that simple price cuts can't match. There's also a financial angle at play. By offering non-cash incentives, dealerships can often provide value to customers without directly cutting into their profit margins. A Caribbean cruise might cost the dealership less than a $5,000 price reduction, but it could feel like a much bigger win to the customer. For buyers, these creative offers can be both enticing and potentially misleading. While you might end up with some great perks, it's crucial to look beyond the extras and ensure you're still getting a good deal on the car itself. Experts are divided on the effectiveness of these strategies. Some see them as a smart way to stand out in a crowded market, while others worry they might attract bargain hunters rather than serious buyers. These creative offers are just one part of a larger trend in dealership incentives. Many manufacturers are also turning to aggressive financing options to move inventory. The Hyundai Ioniq 5, for example, is being offered with discounts up to $10,000 off MSRP, along with attractive financing terms. Many other brands are following suit with similar offers on popular models. It's undeniably a buyer's market, with dealerships willing to go to great lengths to clear their lots. But the big question remains, how long can this last? Are we witnessing a temporary shift in the market? Or is this the new normal for car buying? Only time will tell, but for now, buyers have more leverage and options than ever before. The million-dollar question about these car deals might have a surprising answer. While dealerships are offering incredible discounts, several factors could change the market dynamics quickly. The auto industry is experiencing an unprecedented situation. Experts are calling this a favorable time for car buyers, but it's uncertain how long it will last. Several factors could potentially end these incredible discounts. Interest rates have been high, keeping many potential buyers away. However, rates are expected to start falling in late 2024. This could bring more buyers into the market, potentially reducing the excess inventory that's driving these deep discounts. Opinions vary on how this will play out. Some analysts believe high inventory and declining sales will keep discounts going well into the end of 2024. Others warn that economic factors could quickly shift the market, potentially ending the deals sooner. The current inventory situation is remarkable. The average new car inventory is at 101 days supply, more than 3 months' worth of cars waiting to be sold. Many brands are exceeding this, suggesting dealerships will need to continue offering discounts to clear their lots. Car manufacturers face a challenging situation. They need to reduce inventory, but can't drastically cut production. This balance could determine how long these deals continue. Projected car sales and production for the coming year indicate that manufacturers will likely continue facing challenges with excess inventory. This suggests significant discounts could persist as dealerships try to reduce stock. However, the auto industry is unpredictable, and sudden changes in consumer confidence or economic conditions could alter everything. The Great Recession saw similar conditions lead to significant price reductions. The current situation mirrors those past trends, indicating that substantial discounts could continue until inventory levels normalize. Most experts agree that favorable conditions for buyers will likely continue through the end of 2024. November and December are expected to bring significant low APR and lease offers as manufacturers push to clear out 2024 models. Some brands are already offering up to $7,000 in MSRP reductions on select vehicles, and these types of deals are likely to become more common. But remember, the auto market can change quickly. Economic shifts, changes in consumer behavior, or global events could rapidly alter the landscape. With these unprecedented deals potentially coming to an end, the question becomes, how can you ensure you're getting the best possible deal? It's about understanding the complex world of car sales to secure the most favorable terms. While many rush to grab these incredible discounts, smart buyers are asking an important question. What's the real cost? These jaw-dropping deals often hide unexpected expenses that could turn your dream car into a financial burden. In car sales, offers that seem too good to be true often are. Dealerships excel at making deals look irresistible, but many come with hidden costs that can lead to unexpected expenses. Consider those attractive 0% financing offers. They look great initially, but dealerships often increase the vehicle's price to make up for the low interest rate. You might save on interest, but end up paying more for the car itself. Another tactic is emphasizing low monthly payments. A salesperson might highlight an incredibly low monthly amount, making you think you're getting a bargain, but they might not mention the extended loan term or the large balloon payment at the end. Suddenly, that affordable car becomes a long-term financial commitment. We've encountered cases where buyers were attracted by massive discounts on luxury vehicles, only to discover hidden fees and high interest rates not disclosed up front. One customer ended up paying significantly more than expected for their dream SUV because they didn't thoroughly examine the contract. It's crucial to carefully review every detail of an offer before signing. Many dealerships include clauses that can lead to unexpected costs later. For example, some lease agreements have significant penalties for exceeding mileage limits or ending the lease early. Experts caution that aggressive sales tactics often indicate potential issues. If a salesperson pushes you to decide quickly or sign without fully explaining the terms, it's best to take a step back. A good deal today will likely still be available tomorrow. Key warning signs include extremely low monthly payments, pressure to make quick decisions, advertised discounts for specific models only, undisclosed fees or conditions. Some of these practices aren't just unethical, they could be illegal. If a dealership advertises a vehicle at a certain price but doesn't honor it due to hidden fees or conditions, they might be violating consumer protection laws. Don't let this information discourage you from buying a car. With the right knowledge and a cautious approach, you can navigate these challenges and find a genuinely good deal. In fact, we're about to explore some expert strategies to help you maximize your savings while avoiding these hidden traps. The path to your ideal car might have some obstacles, but we'll show you how to overcome them. With these strategies, you're well equipped to navigate the current market. Dealerships are motivated to move inventory, and with the right approach, you could secure substantial savings. The deals are out there. It's time to find them. We're living through an exceptional moment in the auto industry. Dealerships are offering discounts that would have been unthinkable just a year ago. The current market conditions present a rare opportunity for car buyers. But these deals won't last forever. As inventory levels start to normalize and economic conditions shift, we could see these offers disappear quickly. If you've been considering buying a new car, now is the time to act. With the strategies we've discussed and the current market conditions, You could drive away in your dream car for much less than you expected. Don't miss out on this chance to save big. Are you ready to take advantage of these deals while they're still available?